Hey guys, it's Cookie Cat here, and welcome back to another video. I did say I was going to upload a video today, so here it is. Today I'll be playing Minecraft because my computer does not want to load Animal Jam or any other game like that, because I was actually thinking of playing, if my brain would let me focus, I was actually thinking of playing Plants vs. Zombies Garden Warfare 2 on this channel, but, recorders decide not to let me do things, so I have to do this now. Today we are going to be playing some Skywars, if, it would let me. I'm hoping it lets me, because it never does. Let's go to the duos, because the duos is always fun. Oh, perfect. Right when I want to play, there's no one there. Yay. Fun stuff. And this is gonna be a long waiting period. Because I'll probably just join a game and draw it, and then probably just... Oh, one more! Let's vote for Dragon's Keep, because that sounds cool. So I hope your day is going perfect. Just tell me if it is in the comment section below, because I really do want to know. And like I did promise, I am doing a giveaway for 95 subscribers on my Animal Jam account. Like I said, this account, this whole YouTube channel, isn't just gonna be one video game. And if you want to see me play a video game that I am currently not playing, please let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to see your guys' suggestions. Oh my god! Excuse my really bad parkour, and maybe play a few. Because I know some people who actually want me to play Fallout 4 or Skyrim. I do have those games, and I will gladly play them for you guys. The reason why I've been playing all these games Minecraft and Animal Jam is because, I have to get a better screen recorder before I do any of that. So... that's next on my agenda. If any of you guys would like to join one of my games, like a Minecraft game, or would like to, do a collab, I would gladly like to do that, because I'm actually looking for people to live stream with. That'd be fun. Maybe get some, group people together. I don't need that anyways. Yeah, so for now, I'm probably gonna stick to games on the PC. And I do have a Steam account, if any of you guys, suggest, a game. I was thinking of purchasing Cuphead for the channel, because I love that game. I'm sorry. I'm gonna say it right now. It's amazing. And I would like for you guys to tell me in the comment section below if you would love to see me play that, because if you would, I would totally see how much it is to play it. None of this is gonna help me right now, is it? Probably not, but you know what? Whatever. My full no, I just need pants. Oh my lord. That's the one thing I need I'm not gonna get. Usually how everything works. Oh boy. Any golden apples in here? Nope. Golden apples? Alright. If you guys want to know what server I'm playing on, you probably already know. It's the Hive. My lord. This is gonna take ages, I swear. I will keep that next to this. Actually, over here. Because I don't trust myself. That's an open fact. I don't trust myself with any potions because I will accidentally use a harming potion on myself. I've done that before. Oh, and it's not the best thing to do. Yeah, that's one thing you don't want to do, and I've done that before. Look at me go and do that stuff. I might start up a live stream later, because I actually really do want a live stream. I think that'd be a really, really fun thing to do tonight. Because I told you my testing's over, so I'm gonna have so much more time to record for you guys. Right now, I'm just dying inside because I'm waiting for stuff to record. Oh my god! Don't trust myself, so I'm gonna just... yeah. Let's start heading to other bases because nope. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. Did you guys seriously use the redstone? Nuh-uh. Yep, that was a short-lived match. Well then. Perfect. I just have to record when I'm not doing that well, right? Okay, well, let's see what else we can get ourselves into. Maybe a match of... That wasn't me. Let's go for hide and seek. I think hide and seek would be a fun game to play right now, right? Right? Okay. Ooh. This match always gets a little boring with hide and seek. And, you know, if it does, just let me know in the comment section below and I won't play this for you guys ever again. Like, again, let me know because I need some inspiration just to know what to play with you guys. It's like, I really want to get games where I could, like, you know, like, have fun and potentially play with all of you in the comments. Because I think that'd be fun. That'd be a lot of fun. If I knew where I was going, I'd probably go to the correct spot. Anyone have a knockback sword yet? Wanna let me in? Wanna let me in? Wanna let me in? Okay, I'm just gonna chill here, because this was obviously the wrong map to, to be a music box in. I don't think I'm gonna taunt yet. Bloop. I swear, if I actually, like, survive in this game, because, like, I don't understand why I picked the worst hiding spots physically known to mankind. It's just, it's so bad. And another thing about, I was gonna do a live stream, but I just remembered, I don't have any of my OBS things. Like, I use OBS to record, you've probably seen it in a bunch of my live streams. I don't have the OBS stuff. I don't have my microphone, and I don't want the audio to sound really bad for you guys, because I feel like you guys should have more than just crappy audio. So, that's just me, but yeah. Just gonna casually... Also, comment down in this comment down below if I know how to speak. I'll let you guys know. Comment down below if it's allergy season for you, and just allergies are the worst. If it is allergy season for you guys, I'm so sorry. Like, I am literally so sorry because allergies are the worst. Ugh, I hate allergies. So apologies if you guys hear me like sniffling in the background. It's just me trying not to die. Alright, let's see how much time. 3 minutes are left, so... I'm surprised I've lived this long. I'm literally in plain sight. You guys can't see this? You can't see this? Bruh, I'm like right in front of you. Right in front of you. Dying noises. That was short-lived. Alright, well, I was surprised no one found me because I was in such a, like, obvious spot. Alright, I am now a seeker, like I haven't known that, but thanks for telling me, world. looks kind of out of spot to me. I don't know if that's just me, but it does. I wish they had, like, when you're playing hide and seek, I wish they had, like, a whole menu that when you, like, right click this or left click this, that it gives you, like, a whole drop down bar of how many people, like, are left hiding and what blocks they are. That would have been super helpful, but that is not feature 7. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry for this really short video, but as always, bye. And, you know, join us for the next video.